Goiânia, Brazil, 1987, an abandoned cancer clinic. Inside, a forgotten radiotherapy machine. Two scrap scavengers break in, crack it open with tools. Inside, a glowing blue powder. They think it is something magical. They rub it on their skin, take it to a scrapyard owner. He marvels at it, invites friends and family to see, breaks off pieces as gifts. A little girl plays with the dust. Her mother sprinkles some on the table. No one smells danger, just an invisible radiation beam tearing cells apart. Days later, vomiting, burns, strange blisters. Doctors misdiagnose it as food poisoning. Meanwhile, scavengers keep selling contaminated metal. Only when a physicist notices a short news item about glowing powder, he brings a Geiger counter to the scrapyard. The needle slams to maximum. Panic erupts. Entire blocks are sealed. People dragged to stadiums for screening. Workers in paper suits hose residents like cattle. Children are shaved. Crying. Suspected houses are demolished. Soil scraped and packed in drums. 4 people die quickly, including the little girl, buried in a lead coffin. Mourners are kept at a distance, terrified of her body. Hundreds receive high doses. Thousands are exposed. Contaminated materials are dumped in concrete-lined graves. The most haunting part, all of it began with a clinic that never removed its own machine. A locked door. A forgotten responsibility, turning poverty and curiosity into a radiological nightmare that a whole city had to pay for. In blood and